Hello, bowler hatted Turner again. Today we're going to have a look at sharpening skew chisels. And what I've done, I've actually made a reverse run grinder. It's an ordinary grinder. I've just switched all the safety equipment round on it, turned the switch around, and it runs backwards instead of forwards. But in effect, it still runs in the same direction as it left the factory. What I'm going to do is switch cameras so that we can go and have a look at it. So there we have it. I'm putting on a pair of safety glasses, and you can see that the wheel is made of sisal, and on a conventional grinder it would run this way, but this one runs that way. And although you can't see it on the camera, there's a red arrow here that indicates it's running up away from you. The reason we do that is so that you can't have a soft wheel like this coming down onto the tool. It needs to go away from the tool. And all I do on here is I apply a little bit of linishing cream. So we'll start up, and I place the tool with the blade squarely onto that wheel. Just pull it across a couple of times, and then we come over to the cotton wheel just to get any odd little bits of wire off. So you can see that is a razor sharp blade. Now, not all of my skews are skewed like this. Some of them are square across. But exactly the same thing. I place it on the wheel, run it across a couple of times, same on the other side. Take any wire off, and again, that's razor sharp. Those are quite wide wheels, chisels, but it also works with this. It's a little 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters for those of you that like modern measurements, and away we go. What I'll do now, I'll change camera so that you can see a close-up. And all we do on here is that, and again this comes up razor sharp. Turn the grinder off. I hope that helps you keep all your chisels nice and keen. If you've got sharp tools, the work you do will be cleaner and crisper, and you'll probably get more enjoyment out of it. I'd like to see you again. All the best for now.